Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will make some bug fix from our previous session, Scripting Language Template Solution 19, String Data Type. In our previous session, I found there is some bug, so we will fix that, and we will also implement escape sequence in string literal. And we will also learn about the start conditions in lexical scanner Flex. Flex. So please download the previous source code. When downloaded, please open it in your download folder, unzip it. Then rename it to 20. Now copy to your working folder. Open it in Visual Studio 2015. When solution is loaded, then press Ctrl F5. This is the state of our previous code, and we added some string literal. If I add some string literal like this, I input some string literal. If I run it, see, so we combined. I love this string is displayed, but this string is displayed here, but it gets corrupted. I try to understand why I added the string longer, then it now works. But if I make it shorter, then it doesn't. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we have to fix this bug. In class view, see parser manager, double click it. We currently use this std string vector. It causes some problem, so I need to fix it like this. Unique ptr, wide character t, like this. Please fix like this, then save it, then scroll down. While selected parser manager, scroll down, push to string table, find push to string table here. We will change it like this, std w string trimmed. I would just say w string str. I change it like this. Then we say push back. We cannot push back. We have to create unique ptr std wide character t array, then ptr new wide character t. We need the size of the array. We can compute the size like this. wstr. No, we can just say wcs len str. We don't need it. Then here we need +1 for null character, +1 for terminating null character. Okay, then here you can say size, we allocated PTR, then we need to copy like this, WCSCPYS. This is pointer, destination pointer PTR, get. Then size, then source would be str. Okay, we created and copied, then we push back. We can push back like the std move PTR. Okay, now save it. Okay, then another thing we need to fix is push get string from table. Get string from table. We need to fix this one. It should be get. And get. Okay, we should fix like this. Now Ctrl F5. Now load the same sample. Now let's run it. Now it works perfectly without any broken character. Okay, I will try with some Korean text. Okay, Korean is displayed properly. Now we fixed the bug. And about this code, we will remove this code in a few minutes later. I actually don't understand why when we use std w string caused our bug. When I changed it to wide character array dynamic allocated array, then the problem is gone. The problem is fixed. I don't understand why actually. And now we will introduce escape sequence. We will introduce escape sequence and also about start condition, start state stack. Please refer to start condition in Flex PDF manual like this. Now we will introduce start conditions. So we can now close it, close all. Then here parser Lexer L, please open this file. Now we will introduce start state Flex state option stack to use state Flex state stack. Okay, so we need this option. Then we will introduce here, I will introduce sx string str. Sx str is exclusive start condition. So about start conditions, please refer to this PDF manual. We introduced one. Now save it. Since we introduced stack, so Ctrl F, current document, begin. We will now change it to like this. YY push state. We are storing state and we have to provide YY scanner like this. Here again YY push state, then YY scanner, and we pop initial state state like this, YY pop state, and we provide YY scanner. We have to fix like this, save. Now find one more here. YY pop state. Okay, let's find if there's more. Okay, that's all. Now save it. Then try Ctrl F7. Okay, lexical scanner compiles successfully. Now we will disable this. This is our previous string scanning part. We will remove it. Please copy this code to some other file like this here, because we will refer to it a few minutes later. Save it. We will remove this part. Then instead we are introducing quote. This is single quote. This is quote character. So we now change it the same way. YY push state. We are turning SX STR start condition, exclusive start condition. Then YY scanner. We are changing state. Then we introduce like this SX STR like this. Then we open brace block. This is block. Say if we find quote again, then it means string find. We scanned a string. Okay, and before do that we need to here we will introduce, give two tabs, std w string WOS. We will use it, so we need to include s string. Okay, save. So in this code, this is rule section, and this part of code will be, okay, I will explain. This string stdwos will be incorporated in our lexer as local variable. Compile it. I compiled. Now if we open the lexer, here find std wo string here. So let's go up. This is YY-lex. This is head of the macro for YY-lex. So at the start of the file, this is declared as local variable. So it should be not string wo string. We will change it like this. Is a local variable will be declared in the YY-lex. Okay, then here this is with string we scanned. We will copy this text like this, copy and paste. Now we can change, we have to restore restore our state like this. YY pop state YY scanner. We restore state. And the remainder is the same like this. Like this. This is then we will implement escape sequence. These are escape sequence. So we will turn it to regular expression like this. Please watch how I change it to regular expression. Okay. Then we can say WOS L. This is single quote. Okay. Then this is double quote, WOS L, like this. Then question mark, WOS L, now backslash A, please note that this is a single character. This is, so we have to repeat. Okay. This is audible bell. No, this should be like this. Then backspace. WOS now pump it. Now new line. Then carriage return. Then horizontal tab. Now vertical tab. Okay, that's done. Now save it. Then we need to scan any other characters. Please note that we should not include here blank. This is the say it means do not include new line, do not include double quote, do not include a slash. So blank is misnomer actually. I think I will change in. I will copy and say in quote. I will say in the quote. In the quote means in double quote. Okay, so any character in double quote. New line is not included, double quote is not included, slash is not included. Now save it, copy in the quote, in double quote. Here you can say one or more WOS constant wide character T pointer YY text. Okay, then we will put a new line here. We have to put new line here. This is bug actually. We say YY extra push back error message new line is not allowed. I will say like this: YY local YY LLOC. Okay. Now let's check once again. We open state, we push state, we close state, pop state. Then it's wrong. It should be WOS str C str. We have to change like this. We have to fix like this. Now save. Control F7. We will close it. We will build once again. What's this? I think we may have to remove these, or probably like this. We change like this. I will change it to quote. Then okay, now save it. Control F7. Now, oh, we made a mistake here. Now let's build once again. Control F7. Okay, the problem is gone. Now build. Control F7 again. We should not have any warning message here. Now Control F5 to build and run. Okay, now load our previous sample. Okay, it works. Then we put some, I will change like this. Some Korean text. And I put new line character here. Now let's try. Okay, this is new line and this is new line. So escape sequence work. Also quoted string is gone. We put new line here. Now let's run it. See, new line is not allowed. 3, 4, column 17. I think there's some problem here. Okay, so now it seems to be working. It is working. Text string. Now I want to change this message to as a resource string. Here, resource string. Save all. We will add one resource string. IDS EM means error message. New line not allowed. It is EM new line not allowed. New line character is not allowed inside of the string. Okay, we will define like this. Save it. This is IDS EM new line not allowed, and here IDS EM new line not allowed. IDS EM new line not allowed. Now let's build. Control F5. Sorry, we need to build resource string, resource DLL first. Here, right click, build, rebuild only lib resource. Okay, then Control F5. Sorry, we need to include here, include, this is lib resource .h. Now Control F5. Now let's load the previous sample. Let's run it. New line character is not allowed inside string, like this. Then output, everything is displayed properly. If we clear output, then run it, then it runs. Then if we want to achieve this effect, then I put a new line text here. I put a new line character here. Okay, this sample text, and what about tab? I put a tab character here. Okay, tab is working. And what about B? B is bell. No, it displayed like this. Anyway, tap here once again. Tap, 2 taps. Okay, it works. This way we fixed our resource bug and also introduced escape sequence. Finally, this is double, this is single slash. Okay, the slash character displays properly. In this session we fixed resource bug, string bug in our previous session. In our previous string has not handled properly, now fixed, and also we implemented escape sequence. Thank you for watching.